All right, Tuesday morning, folks. Real quick, seeing a continuation of the strength that we saw in the Monday session. So markets trading higher. Dow Jones up 300, S&P's up 25, Nasdaq trading 30 or so higher. Seeing oil trade at levels last seen in March, up above $43 a barrel in WTI, and seeing weakness in the dollar. Euro trading higher, pound up above 1.33, and of particular interest is this risk-on currency, the Aussie dollar, which is now trading at a two and a half month high, up above spot 73. This move higher coming on the back of a couple of things. One, yesterday after the close, we get certification of Joe Biden as having won the presidential election. And we get news that President Trump and his team are starting to open up some of their resources to make that transition happen. The market looks at that as good news, and we see the markets trade higher as a result. Also yesterday, President-elect Biden has appointed as his new Treasury Secretary, Janet Yellen, who was the former president of the Fed, which the market also looks upon as good news. We see the markets trade higher yesterday afternoon on that announcement. Why? Because she's seen as a pro-market choice. She's seen as someone who's going to come in and help buoy this economy, certainly coming out of the pandemic, more so than fears that President-elect Biden was going to come in and focus more on putting regulation in place. So again, holiday shortened week, a lot going on right now. We have more earnings out today, Best Buy, Dick's, Nordstrom, a couple of these big retail names before the holiday season. So that's going to be of particular interest. Again, just so everybody knows, markets are closed on Thursday due to Thanksgiving, and Friday we have a half day in the market. So make sure you follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram. We'll keep you folks updated throughout the holidays, and everybody have a great day today. Let's go get after it.